Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung smartphone ba o action camera yung gagamitin mo. So para matulungan ka mag-decide, please watch this video. And I am recording this video using my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 na action camera. So una, for extreme durability, for me, sobrang lamang talaga si action camera when it comes to durability. Because most of the action cameras, may IP rating, most of the time, they are waterproof. Meron silang waterproof cases and so on. While sa mga smartphones naman, usually hindi talaga sila waterproof and hindi sila rugged kagaya ng mga action cameras. When it comes to POV shots, ultra-wide angles, or mounting systems, lamang pa rin si action camera. Since marami siyang mga attachments, marami siyang mga accessories, pwede natin siya isabit sa helmet, pwedeng yung magnetic mount, metal cage, and so on. While sa mobile phone, we are only limited dun sa mga accessories such as tripod, minsan yung mga waterproof na plastic cases para pwede nating ilublob yung phone. And usually yun lang naman yung mga accessories ng smartphone compared sa action cameras na maraming mga attachments. So, para sa akin, mas lamang pa rin si action camera when it comes to portability, POV shots, or point of view, panalo pa rin yung mga action cameras. When it comes to video stabilization, masasabi kong medyo tayo silang dalawa. Kasi most of the smartphones na nare-release nowadays, meron na talaga silang camera or video stabilization. Mostly, naka-EIS sila and yung iba ay naka-OIS na rin, just the optical image stabilization, and nakikipagsabayan na rin, lalo na yung action mode sa mga iPhones. While kay action camera naman, usually yung mga budget ones, yan yung mga may poor video stabilization, pero when it comes to the high-end action cameras, napakaganda na ng mga stabilization nila and hindi ka mabibigo. When it comes to stabilization, mas stabilize ang action cameras, but kaya na rin sumabay ng mga phones when it comes to video stabilizations. Panalo yung smartphone kung when it comes to sharp colors and kung flagship phone yung mga gamit natin and meron tayong maayos na natural lighting outdoor. Panalo rin si smartphone when it comes to convenience since hindi na natin kailangan ng file transfer right after we record or we shoot photos and videos. We can instantly edit them without transferring any files kasi nga nasa mobile phone na natin yung mga videos. Unlike kay action camera, na kailangan pa natin mag-transfer. Lamang din si smartphone when it comes to budget friendly. Since si smartphone is already a given tech na almost everyone sa atin ay meron na tayong smartphone. Unlike kay action camera na kailangan pa natin bilhin. So kapag kay smartphone, pwede na tayong mag-point and shoot, pwede na tayong mag-record, edit, and upload directly using only one device. So overall, it really depends on the need and kung anong klaseng creator ka ba. Ikaw ba yung creator na point and shoot lang, okay na? Ikaw ba yung creator na mas prefer mo na mag-edit or mag-transfer pa ng mga files in multiple devices? Ikaw ba yung creator na mas binavalue mo yung portability or yung quality? So, it really depends on what type of user ka. If you have any questions regarding in this topic, you can comment down below para masagot natin yan. And also, ikaw ba? Ano bang mas prefer mo? Smartphone or action camera? Comment mo naman dyan sa baba. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more.